If you would like to know how I received this burgundy dark cherry red color, please stay tuned, like and subscribe, and follow me on social media to keep updated with my recent posts and what I'm doing. Okay, so here I am mixing L'Oreal HiColor Reds in Red Hot and L'Oreal HiColor HiLights in Magenta with a 30 developer, and I'm just going to mix that and apply it to my ends. I will not be showing how I colored my bundles. I really hate videos that are repetitive and super long for no reason. So this is pretty much the same process as my closure that I'll mention later in the video. After I mix the color, I add it to the ends, comb it through, I wrap it in the foil, I leave it on for 2 hours, rinse it out with cold water, and then I deep condition it and let it air dry until it's time for the install. So I was going to add a clip on how to color the bundles, but it's very repetitive. Just honestly follow the steps from the closure. You know, put it on, comb through cold water, and you'll be good to go. So this is what it looks like after it's been installed and colored and processed and all that good stuff. And as you can see, I'm playing around with my little ring light thingy, and I'm just adjusting the light so you can see it in various light settings. And I'll also insert a clip of what it looks like in natural sunlight. So this is what it looks like in natural lighting, and y'all, please excuse my appearance. It was finals week, my curls fell, I was going through it, I had a whole 20-page research paper, but I really want to get this video out before winter break, and so it's very pretty in a natural light, and it's very subtle. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I want to keep this video very short and sweet. It was very simple and I didn't feel the need to make it super long. So thank you for watching again.